Good morning, everybody. I hope that y'all are having a good day so far. Today's vlog is just going to be some really random stuff. We don't really have anything super fun planned today, but I am in a predicament and I need some mommy advice. So Garrett just turned 8 months old, and you know, to this point, well, I guess ever since he was, I guess maybe about 4.5 months old to this point, he's really been sleeping great. And I mean, I haven't really had any trouble with him taking naps or sleeping through the night or whatever, because he's just been doing really good. Well, the past couple of nights he has not slept at all. Like, he'll go to bed at 7:30, which is what he normally goes to bed at, and he'll wake up like 30 minutes later and then stay up till like 11 o'clock. So I don't know, I guess this is just another stage of a sleep regression, but I don't really know what would be causing it. I mean, he had both of his teeth come in, and I don't see any more teeth coming in at this point, so he's not really in pain. And then last night he was laying in bed and he was just clapping and laughing like he was fine. He just didn't want to go to sleep. I mean, I don't really know what to do right there, so if you have any advice, I would love to hear it. Hey buddy, you playing with your bear? You playing with your bear? We just got done pitching a fit, so we're a little bit better now that we're sitting in mom's lap. Okay, so I guess I was wrong, and I think he is teething because I tried to give him food, and because he started screaming and he did not want food. And the second that I gave him his frozen toy, he was completely happy. So maybe he is teething and I just didn't see a tooth. I don't know, I guess I'll have to check again. Are you happy now? You look happier. You look a lot happier. So if all goes well today and he feels better later on, then we are gonna go and shop for some stuff to organize my pantry, because that is my next video. Hopefully, I would love to be able to organize my pantry and get that all situated, because I am so tired of it looking the way that it looks right now. So I'm gonna go try to find some stuff to organize it. I wanna get some Lazy Susans. I wanna get some really cute bins. I eventually want to paint my door. I know that's a big project, but that's my goal. So I will take y'all along the journey with me of organizing my pantry. Okay, so we are headed out. We are going to Chick-fil-A because it is Cow Appreciation Day. So we're gonna go say hi to the cow and eat some chicken. I don't know how he'll feel about that. He doesn't really know what a cow is. He's never seen one, so. You say hi? Hi. We're feeling a little bit better now that we had a nap. So hopefully we can keep this attitude up for the rest of the day so I can go shopping. We'll see, huh? I feel like a complete idiot right now because I have never been to Cow Appreciation Day. And I had no idea that you were supposed to dress up as a cow. So here we are, dressed in regular clothes, looking at everybody else who's dressed like freaking cows. I mean, there's people who have on tails and full on like cow costumes. Some girl painted her face. Like, yeah, this is crazy. And then here we are, dressed like regular people, you know. Had no idea. One of my friends is coming to meet us here, and I called her and I was like, are you dressed like a cow? And she's like, yeah, we do this every year. We're dressed in black and white. And I was like, dang. I said, now we gotta go get us a shirt. What do you think about it? Look at the cow. That awkward moment when you're supposed to meet somebody and y'all accidentally go to the wrong restaurant. Yeah, that just happened. I'm telling you, that was absolutely insane. Like, the amount of people that were at this Chick-fil-A was ridiculous. I found us a table and I left my phone in my car, so I did not want to go back to the car to get my phone because I would never get us another table, because there were people that were literally like lined up on the back wall just waiting for a table. It was crazy. I've never seen Chick-fil-A that crowded in my whole life. And then I tried to bargain for free food, because if you dress up as a cow, apparently you got free food. Didn't know that either. And we didn't dress up as a cow, but I told them that it was our first time, and so they gave Garrett a free meal. So now we are sitting in the Target parking lot, and we are waiting for our friends to get here so we can go shopping. I think I'm going to try to find some organizers here to see if they have any here first before I go all the way to Bed Bath & Beyond, because it's kind of far. Okay, so I wasn't gonna film this, but I decided not to get anything for organization from Target because it was way too expensive there, and I would much rather go to Bed Bath & Beyond and get the stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond because I've got coupons. So I've decided instead to do a DIY project, and I don't know how this is gonna turn out, so that's why I was not gonna film this, but I got the, I'll show you. I got that from Target. So it's the wallpaper, shiplap wallpaper that is supposed to be texturized, and I'm gonna try to do my hall bathroom with it. And I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but this is kind of what it looks like. I'm just doing it piece by piece, and I'm probably not even doing it correctly, but I should have shown you before, but I will show you a before picture. This is what I've got on so far, and I'm just cutting out little strips at a time and putting it on there. That way I don't get overwhelmed. But I mean, it does look really good. Let me see if I can brighten this up just a little bit. There, that's better. Okay, so it's very like smooth to the wall. It's texturized. I really like it, and I think it looks really, really good so far. My husband's probably gonna kill me, but that's okay. All right, so I'll show you the process as I go through it and let y'all know what it looks like at the end.
Okay, so the first thing that I did was I measured out the wall to see what I needed to cut and how much I needed to cut, and because these are in planks, it was a little bit easier to cut because I did them in sections. So I would measure them out, and then I would cut out the sections, and this was actually a pain in the butt because I did not realize how hard stickers were to line up. So I took just a credit card, and I'm smoothing out the wallpaper here after I got it lined up, which took like 5 to 10 minutes just to get it lined up. But once I got it lined up, I just smoothed it out, and then I took the third section and I just made it flush with the trim at the bottom. And at the very top, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just cutting off anything that is excess, so that way it is flush with the top, with the ceiling, and it lines up perfectly. Okay, so here I am taking the other piece, and I am just marking where I need to cut. It is not even, like it's not center, which I should have thought about that, but again, this was kind of spur of the moment and I was not thinking. So anyway, you can't really tell, like once the final product comes together, you can't really tell where the center is because I overlapped it just a little bit. But yeah, so I'm just marking where I need to cut right now. Alright guys, so here is the final product. I love the way that it turned out, and I love the way that it's texturized because it makes it look realistic. And I have this in the description box if you're interested in getting it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!